Kiss kiss, shy shy to show. Hello everyone, today I want to draw a rabbit makeup look. I think it is ours. Clothing with flat egg eyes is very tender. Then my props are already in front of the light for self-cultivation. Let's spray a spray to activate this. As the name suggests, makeup is to have that. A transparent and bright base makeup can be matched with that kind of puff, round and flawless eye makeup, in order to shorten the appearance of myotonia in the atrium. Wow, let's not make the base makeup too complicated, and just use a clear and flawless air cushion to get the love. This glazed air cushion of gold is still one. If the three colors of the latte flower high-speed rail in the can are matched, it will be closer to your original skin color. The upper face is really super silky because a lot of essence is added, so the makeup color is very delicate and obedient. Pause and take a look at this makeup effect. That's it! A thin layer is completely enough. You're done. I really can't refuse this makeup effect, it's like that. The transparent glass is very shiny, but it doesn't feel very oily or just right. The whole face looks dry. The net is perfect, and it has its own sunscreen value, so it is very suitable. I often forget to apply it. Is the whole makeup of the sunscreen sister powder? After us. Use one of these pink blushes. Then Aegyo Salava here. And eyelids. Takes a look to open and trim the nose. Or can keep like... Ordinary people are brown and dried. The god who is home to a family of dark colors and short tones did not last month. If you want to look old, we can draw a pink-brown seed and give it a brush. Swipe away. The amount of skin is average. Spray a little hardcover spray. I just went out to buy it. A cup of milk tea. Now continue to draw the dust mother-in-law back. Then we choose one. Loose powder, you need to press the part of our forehead a little bit. Use this one. Sweep the eyelids and eye makeup for me. Let's choose this one again. If the eyelids are slightly widened, you don't need to worry about it anymore. Once again, the eyeshadow part. This pink eyeliner pen is very commonly used recently. Please trace me first. Their lower eyeshadow part. Check if the eyes are... It's the kind that's red, very innocent, and has a flat nose like a bunny. Choose this color for the brush, so it doesn't feel like it's sagging. So we start from the outer end of the eyeball like this. Down. By a tall building, or... Eyeball disruption is the widest pair. And I'll do the middle piece again. Let's clamp our eyelashes in this brighter and whiter color, and then let's take advantage of this eyelash. When it doesn't collapse, please quickly paste false eyelashes or make up strong women. Special. Don't be cold, little chicken feathers. Choose this color to put me. We press the eyeliner part for it, and then, in order to draw, we go down first. I pull out one eyeliner flat and give me the other eyeliner. I want to use this sequin more deeply. I also want to bury a little bit on Aegyo saliva with this. Pink brown to draw a simple flat eyebrow and use a brown eyebrow dye. Since I just didn't set my makeup, I want to add another layer to the cheeks. Lower blush. That big one? I think it's particularly cute in the dough. I'll use this one for brightening. I'm not afraid. I don't remember the lipstick myself. Let me tell you first. One is 04 and the other is 10. Second, use this lighter color first and use this color. It looks very good as a base, especially when you draw that kind of Korean makeup. It's okay to stack a little bit. Good looking, good liking, good Korean points. Apply a little bit of oil, good bleaching. Bright,